Hey guys, so again with my darndest thing video series, because I discovered another darndest thing this morning from a friend in a Facebook group, on one of my Facebook groups. Obviously that's redundant. Obviously he is a part of my Facebook group. Anyway, so the article that we have here, and it's very short because they don't know much about it yet, is entitled Mysterious Metal Monolith Discovered in Rural Utah. Public safety officers spotted an object in a remote area of Red Rock, something that appeared to be right out of a scene from 2001, A Space Odyssey. Well, suburban Utah, Mars, very similar, people always confuse them. A mysterious metal monolith. Oh, and this is what it looks like. It's really trippy. It's weird, though, too, because it looks metallic. Like, I wonder if it's almost like the impenetrable metal that they discovered at Roswell. You know that metal that they said they could bend, but then it would go back into shape? Really weird. So it's not black like the monolith, like our phones that look like monoliths. I always thought our cell phones, like once they developed the big screens and everything like that, I always thought they looked like monoliths. A mysterious metal monolith was discovered in Utah after public safety officers spotted the object while conducting a routine wildlife mission. A helicopter crew with the Utah Department of Public Safety Aero Bureau was assisting wildlife resources on Wednesday to count bighorn sheep in southeastern Utah, the department said. Pilot Brett Hutchings said one of the officers spotted an object in a remote area of Red Rock, something that appeared to be a scene right out of 2001, A Space Odyssey, which is one of my favorite movies, by the way. He was like, whoa, 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 turn around, turn around. And I was like, what? And he's like, and I'm like, and he's like, and he's like, there's this thing back there. We've got to go look at it. Hutchings told CNN affiliate KSL. We just happened to fly directly over the top of it. Hutchings said the origins of the silver metal monolith, see silver, not black, still remained a mystery, but it appeared to be a new wave art installation that stood between 10 and 12 feet high. Yeah, weirdo, do-nothing art. I bet it's there for something else. It is illegal to install structures of art without authorization on federally managed public lands, no matter what planet you're from. See, again, maybe it's an alien who doesn't know our customs and our ways. The Utah Department of Public Safety said in a statement released Monday. The department said it was unclear who or what installed the monolith and that they would not disclose the exact location of the object out of safety concerns. They added that the Bureau of Land Management will determine whether further investigation is warranted. So anyway, I thought that was really interesting. No one has claimed authorship of said monument yet, although that could change by tomorrow. But it just seems kind of weird if it's an art installation, because usually it's publicized. Usually it's like, come on out to the desert and see my art installation. And it's more than one monolith, and it's certainly more remarkable than that, although an alien artist might not know, right from wrong. Then again, if it's an alien artist, then there's still more to the story. But anyway, I don't know. I just think that monolith looking thing is still very haunting, whether it's silver or black. And it also almost looks like it could be a triangle, like if you looked above and over it. But it's definitely different than the one from Space Odyssey 2001. It's actually a little more, it's imposing, but it's a little bit more bright and cheery looking. If cold, austere metal can be bright and cheery, it is. Anyway, tell me what you think, tell me what you know, and peace out.